Now this would be the 10th section. Let's discuss about popular caching tools and technologies that are available for us and what should we actually use. So first, obviously if you are watching this video, you would be knowing about Redis. Now this is the default choice for 90% of the use cases. Now let's discuss the reasons behind it. It's incredibly fast. It has sub-millisecond latency. It supports rich data structures such as string, hashes, lists, sets, sorted sets, bitmaps. Geospatial data is now also supported. It has built-in TTL, pub/sub models, and Lua scripting is also there. Persistent options, and it has cluster support for horizontal scaling. We use Redis for session caches, leaderboards, rate limiting, real-time analytics, pub/sub models, distributed logs, and whatnot. Redis has all the reasons to be the most used tool for caching. Second comes the Memcached. This was simpler and it is multi-threaded. Now you can study about multi-threaded or like make a video on this. Great if you just need fast string key value caching and nothing fancy, like no persistent, no replication, no complex data structures is there. It still uses it is still used at Facebook at massive scale. The multi-threading makes it better than Redis at a raw CPU utilization on modern multi-core machines. But like Redis has mostly won this battle for new systems. Now, this one is a CDN cache, third one. This includes like Cloudflare, Fastly, AWS CloudFront. Now, this is edge caching. Your data lives on servers physically close to your users, and it is distributed globally. You use HTTP cache headers like cache control, etag, last modified to tell the CDNs of how long to cache your responses. And it is critical for static assets, JavaScript bundles, images, HTML pages, and some like public API responses too. The last is the local in process cache. It is also referred to as the L1 cache, like this. L1 cache. Yeah, right. Sometimes the fastest cache is the one inside your own application. So like the Java developers use a Caffeine or a Guava cache, and Python has I think functools.lru cache, somewhat like that. And it has zero network latency, but only works for single node deployments. If you have multiple app servers, each has its own cache and they can get out of sync. It is super useful for config values, small lookup tables, and computed values that don't change often.